Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney and the Managing Director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. As the title of this video suggests, we're discussing the K-3 visa process going into 2022. Now, the thing to bear in mind with respect to the K-3, I do videos on the K-3 mostly because people use it as a colloquialism to refer to U.S. marriage visas. And in point of fact, I mean, we don't really process a ton of K-3s. It's usually pretty rare. One of the reasons is it's somewhat redundant, especially now where they've kind of prioritized underlying immigrant spouse visas. And as a result, the policy reasoning behind the creation of the K-3 is often not in existence when you're processing a K-3 case. And what I'm talking about here is, in the past when they created the K-3, there were huge backlogs to get immigrant spouse visas. And as a result, they created the K-3. It sort of expedited things. Then about 10 years ago, they started doing what was called administrative closure, where they started closing K-3 cases because an immigrant spouse visa got through the petition process. It got approved, it got to NVC, and they said, yeah, we're going to go ahead and just proceed with the immigrant spouse visa. That really hasn't changed all that much. I don't really foresee it changing too much going into 2022, especially as we saw in the last year or so. They really did speed up adjudications of CR1 and IR1 visas, the immigrant spouse visas. I don't really see that changing that much going into this next year, and I don't really see the administrative closure policies changing that much going into this coming year. So again, I see the K-3 as being a pretty rarely used visa, at least by those who are processing through Thailand in 2022.